feel in the air the essence of Christmas, as we prefer to celebrate the birthday of our Christ. It's a great and holy day. Everyone should be happy, cause He cleaned our hearts and souls by washing our sins away. Let us sing together with the presence of our Christ. In the Holy Spirit come to sing along with us. Essence of Christmas forever never last. If the Lord is in your heart, all your days are Christmas. Let's give to Jesus a greatest birthday gift. We're loving Him above all with all of our hearts, like the Father loves us. Do you hear in my song the essence of Christmas? Just close your eyes and feel the Lord's sweet embrace. In this cruel life, we have nothing to worry, cause the Lord is in control. In every step we'll take, let us sing together with the presence of our Christ. In the Holy Spirit come to sing along with us. The essence of Christmas forever never last. If the Lord is in your heart, all your days are Christmas. Let's give to Jesus a greatest birthday gift. We're loving Him above all with all of our hearts, like the Father loves us. Essence of Christmas forever never last. If the Lord is in your heart, all your days are Christmas. Let's give to Jesus greatest birthday gift. We're loving Him above all with all of our hearts, like the Father loves us.